seasonal time, you can make cakes like this and make the tart also and serve it. So see how it looks. Come, we'll all get together and make this fruit tart so that it will be delicious and it's going to be something different to the normal thing. Come, we'll all get together and prepare this fruit tart. To make the fruit trifle, first thing I am going to do is I have to use 125 grams sugar. I am using 125 gram sugar. If you want to make it bigger, double the quantity you can take and make it. Okay. Then I use the butter. You know, when I use the butter, it should be used immediately from the fridge. Mixing it. Now I will use one egg at a time. Once I use an egg at a time, you can see that it's getting mixed well. While I am beating, I have taken the flour. The flour which I have taken, you can see I will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon. Into the flour, I will put, already I have sifted the flour once, and a little salt also we have to use. Now I have beaten it nicely, sift it with the flour. Now we start beating nicely, and while I am beating, I will add about 2 dessert spoons of milk also. Okay, so we can see I will be adding milk also in between. Lastly, I am going to add a little cooking chocolate. Right? Now I need roughly 50 grams of cooking chocolate. Slightly beat it once more. It has got nice and creamy. So we will off it. We don't have to cook for a long time. So it is done, and I am sure it will be nice and tasty. And I have to add the cashew nuts. Now I am adding the cashew nuts to this. Now the tray, 6 by 6 square tray, and an oil paper, put a little butter, paste it, then you put the butter over, press this and put the butter over it. Put the mixture and bake it. Quickly we will bake the cake so that we can see how it comes. We bake for 40 minutes, 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. Bake and take it. The cake is baked. You can see it has to cool a little. Now I am going to make a cream for this. To make a cream, I need corn flour, milk. Actually, I have taken, this is the cup. With this cup, I have taken 2 cups of milk. What did I take? 2 cups of milk I have taken, and I have poured it. The balance, little I kept it here. I have to mix it. 3 dessert spoons of corn flour. Dilute and put that also into it. Cook till it gets thickened. Now you can see it gets thickened. I want ice water, cool this a little. Let this get cool. Till then, I am going to make the icing for this. Say about a dessert spoon of butter. Icing sugar. 1, 2, 3. Again I put dessert spoon, right? We don't know how much we need, but I have just put a little icing sugar. Then and there sifted icing sugar. Mix it. Check. It has to cool well. Once it's cool, we will add into this. Now I added 3 dessert spoons. Now I am adding another 2 dessertspoons. I hope you can remember I put vanilla essence for the cake and I used a little orange essence. So for this cream also we will add those 2. It's a trifle. So the trifle is going to be nicely mixed with this cream. We have some peaches. We are going to use the peaches here. And we have the grapes over this cashew nuts, roasted nuts put over it. Now we can keep it in the fridge and use it if and when you are going to have it. Now you can see this is the fruit tart. I have made it. This type of a fruit tart, where and when will be serving. Normally seasonal time, from the 24th Christmas time we start celebrating and it goes on till January 6th. Actually we celebrate the Christmas till January 6th. So anytime guests come home, oh, the fruit tart is there. You can always serve this fruit tart, which you keep it in the fridge, use it in a day, 2 or 3, even no harm. You can always make it and keep so that you can serve something different to the normal preparation. So you can serve this and you can enjoy the type of this fruit tart. So next episode with another recipe, I will see you soon. Till then, bye from me now.